Tensor produces a wide range of traverse type robots. For example, now what you look is for the y-axis. The so-called y-axis is x, y, z axis plus one rotation axis, and the other one is a swiveling axis. This is the big model of traverse type robot. Now what we look is the multi-joint robot. The Tensor is designed and manufactured as a robot to meet the market trend in today's very highly competitive market. So Tensor will to fully satisfy for all his customers. So that's why we have spent a lot of time and effort to manufacture all the multi-joint robots. For this two type, we have at the present we have two models. One is a 10 kilogram payload, and the other one is a 20 kilo payload. Now, what we look for the most models is a 3-axis robots. All the 3 axes, including the X, Y, Z axis. Each axis is driven by a separate servo motor to achieve the very high speed. And the more important is that it can also feature very, very rigid.